Well, my friends, this is February the 27th. It's a Wednesday. I'm over at Bill West, master craftsman, obviously. Billy is doing the radiator shell on my current project. I could probably do one. It'd be about 3 years to do it, and it'd be lousy. So I go to the best that there is, and that's Bill West, the best of the West. So anyway, say hello, Willie West.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, you can see he talks a hell of a lot.
I say hello.
Anyway, I just want to show you this. This is a magnificent piece. It's all ready to go to the polisher.
Yeah.
As soon as it gets back from the polisher, the rivets will be put in here. This will be rolled with a piece of beading for strength and everything, and then there'll be different stiffeners put in here and carriers, so we'll be able to fit a radiator inside of this. Still got a lot to do, but then when it's polished already, you say, why it's not done? Well, this way, as pieces are added and things are done to it, we can polish small little areas, but not the overall. So anyhow, just wanted to fill you in, and we've had a great response from the last one. There's probably 1,400, 1,500 people that are watching this. So anyhow, this is the second little installment, and then the final one will be when it's all done. So anyway, have a good day.